I've got a few people that are complaining. And Zatopera, my shout outs. Atopera, Tadiwa, thank you so much. You are in Cheetown. And this one also going out to you. Royalty, how you doing, my love? Sekuru, Vasinamdonzo, Varipakadoma. Also, a big shout out going out to you and Eric T. All right, so for our random question of the day today, are you excited about Father's Day?
Not really, hey, because my dad is no more.
Ah,
Yeah.
so you don't have a father figure.
I do have my
Maripo.
uncle. Yes, the
Yeah.
remaining father is still alive.
Ndo mangwani msarapana.
Ndo baba vatongosara.
Ndo vatongosara
Ndo vega
varipo.
vatongosara
Yeah.
varipo.
Vangatobva vatongeta automatic hazvina kunzi takusarudza musarapavana. Okay, okay.
Automatic. So yeah, we'll be celebrating him, but you're like wishing, oh, I wish my dad was still here.
I know.
I could have done this. I would have bought him this, or I could maybe, fly him to Mauritius.
Why not? Why not?
So yeah, it's a bit
bittersweet.
Yeah,
because you also want to celebrate the memories that you had with him, and also the fact that you wish that he was still here.
Yes.
I kind of feel the same way. Today we want to have a conversation about fathers, because one thing that I've realized is there's a lot of hype when it comes to Mother's Day. Like, we go all out when we are celebrating Mother's Day. And I thought, okay, fine. So Father's Day is approaching. I felt like the best topic, to discuss leading up to Father's Day is the conversation around single fathers. Right? Because we've heard the single mother story
many times.
So many times we always hear how the challenges, and all the things that single mothers go through. But I want to find out, right, what challenges do you face, if any, when it comes to raising children or raising your child as a single dad? Because I was having a conversation with my friend, and she was like, do you know, she says we can't use a term, yokuti a single father.
Why not?
Because she believes that most single fathers have got, this support system. So they're not single in terms of raising children.
What kind of support system from the mother?
To then say, not only the mother, not only the mother, kungonzi mwana wamukomana asiyana nemdzimai gogo vakutoti hunza mwana tikuchengetera is maybe the sister yakutoasainwa school run.
Makes sense.
Like, support system ingori automatic inokika in, and it's different for a single mom, because the assumption is moms, she will take care of everything. Ndimaive mwana, so she will take care of everything. And I was like, guys. So maybe it's an unpopular opinion for her to actually say there's no such thing as a single father, because single fathers are never single when it comes to supporting or raising a child. They've got this whole village taking care of, the child, and even taking care of them. Because she was saying, when my brother, aitouya taitomsira chikafu, kana kutomuitira meal prep and whatnot and everything. So I'm like, okay, why is it things like this don't happen when it comes to single mothers? So I want to hear, and I feel like we're going to struggle with this, Mvunzonando, because it's not going to mashaya my single fathers. Mariko. What do you mean avakwanise kutaura?
With men, they don't want to express themselves like that. So maybe this is the time for them to speak out.
You think so?
Yes.
Well, let me read out some of the messages that are coming through. 580 says, KVG, there's no such thing called a single father. It's an unmarried man.
Oh,
Or
okay.
a man without a wife. So automatically, achingosiyana nemukadzi, he's back on the market. Murume asina mukadzi. Are you getting what I'm saying?
He's not single.
No, he's not a single father, because single father would then give him label yokuti murume ane vana. But patinotobvisa zvevana zvese tongomudzosera mumarket akadaro. So that's what they're saying, to say there's no such thing as a single father. It's an unmarried man. Achingosiyana nemukadzi, he's unmarried before he carries the title of being a single father. And I think that is very true. I don't think, but I don't think they're complicating. I think they're very right. The moment atakure title yokuti single father, anongotaura no, he's unmarried.
Saka mukadzi ndiwe single mother.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Disadvantage all those.
Anzi ibachura. The moment
ato bachura.
Anzi bachura, what do you mean kuti single dad? Anzi bachura, itomutsvagira mukadzi zviende. And that, you know, that was her issue. And I said, let me take this to our random question of the day and find out how people feel. And also if single dads will then show up and speak up. Because kazhinji zveshuwa, you will find kuti azozozvipa label yekuti maiwe ndine machallenges ndaremerwa I'm a single dad. Taure because hapana chiripo. Hapana machallenges acho because he's catered for. Akachengetedzwa. Kana asiri mai varikubatsira is the sister. Yeah. Kana asiri, in fact, I don't know kuti girlfriend inenge ichita skura. Girlfriend inenge yes, they've got the
girlfriends who do that.
Yes.
Hauna kurorota skura.
What do you mean? What do you mean they're girlfriends that do that?
No, I'm shocked. I am shocked.
What do you mean they're girlfriends that do that?
No, I'm just your girlfriend. Why am I supposed to be running around assisting you with stuff?
Because I love you, ka.
And it is. And when we break up, I go to another one. I start doing the same thing.
Well, listen. You know one thing that I've always said. You choose.
Choose your heart.
You choose. Not good. You choose your heart, but do you know sarudza? Nyenge. Men, do you know when men then say kuti inini andiskuda mudzimai nevana?
Yes.
Vanomira paipapo handiti havamuvhe ipapo kuti vazoda kuti hanzi no ndazomunzwira tsitsi nokuti kana asingade
haatodi
mukadzi akamboita vana haatodi asi isusu
so long a man is a man
as long as it's a man. So why are you complaining about school run? It's Anzura Koka. So yes, a girlfriend would do school run for Bewa Kanivana. Why not?
Well, good for them.
Why not?
Good for them.
Why not? Regachono Snova my single dads. On 0772162651, you're calling and you're participating. We want to hear from you. Some are saying there's no such thing called a single father. It's an unmarried man, period. A man without a wife. That is what it is. Challenges are for women. Someone is also coming through to say, single mothers don't face some challenges. As a single guy, you can never face challenges when it comes to raising a child. Yo, okay, Star FM, hello.
Hello, hi, Laskana Murteki.
Taswera, dear, Maswera say.
Hi, Taswera. You know what? The last thing we did is, guys, really go in the Chikuraka. They can't buy them Kana to Ranga Kashira, my lavo. Shema single baby, Rico Shanga, Kunavan, and Chinkita, and Navavari Vega.
Wow.
And you know what? Say business. But I told her he was a sick guy. But right ching it and I take her in a set up again and came to send it.
Yeah.
You know, drive Akamakura, Nemotari, Yemkin View. And I can never see a group point. I got to Kumusha, Nivanavang. Very good, did 1 or 2 hours, one day.
One day,
but very question my family and that's you are sandals over very cool.
Wow. Well, thank you so much for that contribution and for just highlighting the fact that, yes, single dads are there and vanotomira nevana. And do vachikuda atikuda kuti vataurirwe. Nasi katipe mukana kuti kana variko single dads, please call in and just let's hear your plight. We want to hear some of the challenges that you also face because when we always talk about, you know, the plight of single mothers, tigo tsanangura tigo ita go deeper, yeah, single mothers will die. Where is that conversation? Yeah? Yema single dads kuti kwenyu zvamuri kusangana nazvo ndezvipi? Ma challenges acho ndehambi. Star FM, hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Very fine in yourself.
I'm great, thanks, my boss. Talk to me. Are you a single dad?
No, I'm not.
No, you're not, but you have a story to share. I've got Nyenge today.
But they're doing worse things from this man to another man.
Yeah. You decided to take it there. It's not worse things. I think she was just saying,
it's not my responsibility.
Yeah, ana responsibility yo. I say responsibility yake ukuthi angachita skuran.
I understood you. If you cut out what you could think it on order, but you go na kuitira zvimwe zvinhu munhu aunoda obva panodanana nemumwe. But anyway, hakuna chinhu chinonzi single dad, handirikani.
So you're agreeing with my friend to say hakuna chinhu chinonzi single dad?
Kune arume vakasiyiwa navakadzi vakafirwa vakarambana navakadzi, handirikani.
Yeah.
And the only challenge hainayo ndeyekuti havana vakadzi who can take care of kids.
Yay.
Yes, we can take care of kids, handirikani sevarume.
Yeah.
But that motherly love inodira kunzi musha mukadzi.
Yeah.
Mai ndo asipo. That's the only challenge. The big piece yekuti hapana mukadzi, that's the challenge.
Thank you so much for that. This is another guy who is agreeing with my friend to say there's no such thing as a single dad. Well, her position was she feels kuti automatically murume achingoita single, right? Responsibility yese yekuti yanga take care of vana iri kutorwa with immediate family. Vanogona kunge vari amai, vanogona kunge vari sisi vake, vanogona people around him who will definitely, or maybe anogona kuti atori sisi vemudzimai waasiyana naye vakutotora responsibility yekuti kana pane zviri kuda kuitwa nemwana kuri kunzi mai vafa. In that case, the responsibility pana anotongoitora immediately. And I don't know kuti nei zvichidaro when it comes to men, but it doesn't, automatically translate to the other side kana ari madzimai. Are you also agreeing, an unpopular opinion as it may be, but are you agreeing to then say, good hakuna ma single dads? Star FM, hello? Hi, Masera say. Are you a single dad?
Can be something just so sensitive to one, so it becomes, it triggers my emotional.
Yes.
But I understand good the society at all, the men is kind of like, what tell Muruman was Zampan was Muruma Jambudika, it is a, but I tell you what is I'm taking care of their children and they are single dad, they are single father.
That take up the full.
But it roll out to actually they are well their children and they do everything they can for their children.
But we're not hearing from them. Imagine right now.
Just because men are just shut out like that. Society has just decided to shut out. I tell you, this topic is quite a sensitive thing. But one knows they can just laugh it off and.
Yeah. Are you a single dad yourself?
I've got a boy and 2 girls around me. But
and how's the support system? Do you raise them mega through and through?
No mother, I've got no father. It's just me and my children.
Wow.
No one to look up to. It's just people just
yeah.
But there are people who are actually living this life out there.
Wow. Well, thank you so much for sharing your story and coming through with your truth. And I think it takes so much courage, like you're saying, because men are usually forgotten in society because of that masculinity. Responsibility because someone will take up that responsibility. But for you to come onto live radio and say, I am that single dad who's taking care of 2 kids by myself, I think that is really amazing. Thank you so much and keep on keeping on.
Cool.
Nice one. On 0772162651, and you are connecting with us at Tinswe Okubakwamuri. Kuti panofamba say this one says guys kungoti varume atide drama but sure tiriko ma single dads and we're raising our children alone. Another one also coming through says inina just feel kuti avagona kuchengeta vana. That's the reason why we always step up as vana tete and as vanamai when a man divorces or akashayikirwa nemudzimai. So that single dad tag is non-existent zvachose muupenyu hwemunhu anenge akadaro. Okay, 0772162651. Keep them coming. We are Star FM, sounding good all the time.
This is how we do it. Enhancing the sound.